Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, October 17th. We're seeing a very chilly but sunny morning out there this morning, and we can expect this cooler air mass to continue for the next few days, along with drier conditions. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday and this morning. Yesterday we did see that cold front pass across the entire mid-Atlantic region, and that left our afternoon highs only to be in the mid-60s, with the warmest location was DC, which only got to 66 degrees, and Dover was the coolest for its high temperature yesterday afternoon at 61. This morning we did see low temperatures around 10 degrees or more below normal. Many locations reporting lows down into the mid-40s. Baltimore did see that temperature dip below 40 degrees at 38, and then there were some locations of Tidewater that were only just able to reach into the low 50s. Those showers yesterday across the area did give us just a little bit of rain, mainly between a tenth to 2/10 of an inch of rain for many locations. Some locations were only able to see just under a tenth of an inch yesterday morning into the afternoon. As of 9 a.m., we're seeing very chilly morning across the region compared to what we have been seeing for the past several days here. Temperatures are running around 50 degrees, give or take, for most locations across the mid-Atlantic under sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we do have northerly winds near the surface, fairly light. They're around 10 to 15 knots just at the surface, and just above the surface from the 1,000 to 3,000 feet, they are maxing out around that 25 knot mark. And then as we go up the column, they're shifting more northwesterly, mainly remaining between 15 to 20 knots across the entire column, and increasing slightly at the 20 to 25,000 foot level, near 25 knots. Our freezing level this morning was near 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, you can see across Florida that cold front that passed the area yesterday morning, and it's already down south, well south of here. We have high pressure building across the entire eastern United States, and that is helping to filter in a much drier and cooler air mass across the mid-Atlantic region. And we can expect to see these unseasonably cool, dry conditions through tomorrow before that high shifts off and we switch our winds back to a more southerly direction, and we will once again be seeing a slight warm-up for the end of the work week. As you can see, current temperatures across the area, it is this cooler air mass has taken hold across pretty much the entire northeastern United States, with many locations this morning seeing temperatures in the lower 30s. Some of the higher elevations are even able to see low temperatures in the 20s across areas of Pennsylvania. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here. We are seeing winds northerly across much of the area. We do expect that to continue throughout today, and then as we go into tonight, we'll see those winds become light and variable, leaving another very cool morning for tomorrow as we get light winds and no cloud cover, giving us a good setup for some radiational cooling. So taking a look at our forecast charts here, not going to see a big change in the next couple of days as high pressure will continue to dominate the eastern United States, giving us that cooler and drier air mass across the region as we go into today and into tonight. As we go into tomorrow morning, that high pressure is going to really settle directly over the mid-Atlantic region, and that's going to help our winds become calm with no cloud cover. So like I had mentioned, we're going to be seeing a good setup for radiational cooling, and it's not going to be a surprise to see low temperatures tomorrow morning dip below that 40-degree mark across portions of the Delmarva. As we go into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to start to see the high pressure build a little bit more east of the area, and by Thursday we're going to see those winds start to turn more southerly across the region, and that is going to help give us a slow warm-up as we go into Thursday and Friday, with temperatures once again going slightly above normal for the end of the work week and into the weekend. So not looking at anything in the way of weather hazards today, as we're going to be seeing mostly sunny skies. A very chilly high today, only expected to reach up to 60 or 61 degrees. Winds are going to be northerly around 8 to 13 knots for much of the workday today, and we are going to see those winds then die down near sunset, becoming light and variable overnight and into Wednesday morning. We're looking at a few clouds near 4,000 feet and a few cirrus clouds near the 25,000 foot level right now, and that does look to be the case most of the day. It does look like that cirrus is going to move out of the area at times, and we're just going to be seeing a few clouds at 4,000 feet. After 5 p.m., it does look like we're going to be seeing clear skies. Can't rule out a chance of still some very sparse few at 3,000 feet, but it does look like we are going to be looking at clear skies tonight, and that's going to help to give us those very cold temperatures tomorrow, with a temperature of 40 degrees expected here at Wallops. For the next few days, we're going to be looking still at dry conditions and fairly seasonable temperatures. Tomorrow is going to be a very seasonable day under mostly sunny skies, high of 68 expected. For Wednesday night, we're going to be looking at mostly clear skies again. Still looking at an unseasonably cool night with a low of 48 degrees. And then on Thursday, that's when we expect to see those winds shift a little bit more southerly, and we'll be under partly cloudy skies with a slightly warmer high of 73. For the next 7 days here, going to be seeing a bit of a warm-up like I had mentioned towards the end of the week, but definitely not like we have been seeing the past couple weeks here as autumn really starts to take hold. But we will be seeing temperatures rise into the mid-70s this weekend under partly cloudy skies. So still expecting dry conditions, not really looking for that humidity to return. So it's still going to be a very beautiful weekend. We're going to looking at still some chillier morning lows in the low 50s between Thursday morning and Sunday morning. On Sunday and Monday, we're going to see those winds turn more south-southwesterly in advance of an approaching cold front. And that cold front does look to approach the region starting Monday evening, and that is going to give us a chance of some showers starting. Looks like Monday evening is what the forecast consensus seems to be right now. Can't rule out some chances from some thunderstorms as well, as it does look like it's going to be a rather potent cold front approaching the area for the beginning of next week. So that will be something we will be keeping an eye on. That'll do it for today's weather briefing. We'll be back at tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations brief and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.